Hi everybody, I'm Emily Diaz, founder and stylist at Cosita Boutique, and I wanted to do a really quick tutorial today about how I curl my hair. I get asked pretty frequently how I do it, and it's actually really quick and easy, so here you go. Hope you enjoy. So my hair is just washed and dried. Bear with me, it's pretty big, but this is what I do. So to start out here, I'm going to time myself to make sure we get it in. We can do this in 5 minutes, so watch. Okay, all I do is just find my hair's natural part. So you can see it's just about there. And then all you're going to do is take a curling iron. You can use whichever one you want. It just depends on how tight of a wave you want. This one's actually a little bit bigger than what I normally like to use. This is, I think, a 1.5 inch. Is ideal, either 1.5 or 1 3/4. I'll put it in the comments. But anyway, this will give just a really loose kind of wavy look. So here's how you do it. So you want to start out, just take a section from the front, about that size, and you're curling away from your face, okay? And just kind of slowly work your way down the curl like this. And it's the exact same technique. We're going to use it just for all of the hair. So just section by section. I'll do it again so you can see what I did. I'm just working my way down the hair. That's it. It's really easy. I have this turned up pretty hot. The hotter it is, the better it works and the longer the curl lasts. So it's pretty hot, but just do whatever you feel like is best for your hair. You don't want to damage it. I do this pretty much every day. My hair is still kicking, but my hairstylist used to say just use the hottest setting that can work for you and achieve the results you want, but that at the same time it's not going to damage your hair too much. So that's literally all I do. I just go through section by section and curl away from my face. I know some people say you should curl different sections in opposite directions, and I guess that gives a more natural look. I think it can make your hair look a little bit thicker as well, so you can play around with that. For me, for my everyday look, honestly, I just love the way it looks, just doing it all in one direction. I've tried it both ways, and I just like it better. So you can see this is super quick and easy. I'm just doing the exact same thing on every section. So see, I'm just curling it away. And then you can I touch it once it gets warm. Just work your way down. So this way you get a nice curl throughout your hair. And you know, you're not just searing and singeing the end of the hair. So it's better for your hair that way. Let's see. I have to speed up a little bit if I'm going to make this under 5 minutes. I told my best friend that I do this in 5 minutes, and it really is that quick normally. So I'm just going to speed up now and do it kind of at my normal pace, so you can see that this can be done with a little practice. I definitely have been doing this for years. It was hard for me at first, but I'm so used to it now, and I do it all the time. So it's just kind of like brushing my teeth. It's so easy and quick. There you go. I'm going to try really hard to get it done in 5 minutes. There we go. Too much talking. So just go through. Super simple. I have pretty thick hair, but it's still quick when you do it this way. And honestly, you can section it out, but the results are pretty much the same for me if I section it out and take more time to do it, or if I just do it this way. So whatever you prefer. I'm doing pretty well on time, but let's see. Super easy. Just kind of pause. Make sure everything's curling. Whew. Yeah, it's hot. Careful with your fingers. Okay. I know some people don't like to curl the ends of their hair, and that's kind of the style now, but I don't know. The ends of my hair need all the love they can get, so I curl them. I don't really like them flying free. I also have kind of a little bit coarse hair in some parts, so the heat really helps it. All right, we're over 5 minutes, but I did take a little while to introduce, so I think you can see this is really quick and get the idea. If you just kind of get in the flow and do it, it's about 5 minutes. All right, here we go. See, look, I'm literally almost done. So fast. All right, here we go, last little bit. This is just a nice style for everyday. People tell me that they like my hair like this, and I say thank you, but I always kind of laugh because I'm a one-trick pony. It's kind of the only style that I have, but it works really well. If you're gonna know one, it's a good one for sure. So there you go. It's done. Like I said, super quick. If you want to get real fancy, which I normally like to, you can kind of curl the back bits a little bit here so it looks nice from the back. It just takes a couple seconds more. Just take these little back pieces and just kind of go, I'm just going down the back of my head, so any little sections, I'm just going straight down the back, just taking little pieces, so any little sections in the back that maybe didn't get curled are all set. Okay, and then the last bit is just putting some finishing product on it if you want to. Honestly, this is a pretty look just as is, but I really like, ever since high school, I've actually loved this Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. It's really nice. It just gives your hair some shine, and it smells really nice too. So I just put a little bit on my ends. That's it. And then if you want to just set it with a little bit of hairspray, always a good thing. Bigger the hair, the closer to heaven, right? So just a really light spritz. That's it. And there you have it. That's how I curl my hair for just every day. It's really easy and quick, and you honestly can do it in 5 minutes if you're not talking and explaining. So hope this was helpful, and enjoy.